Well, I think it's important to learn how to use the tools, and people use tools at different levels. So, the biotechnology that you're talking about is a certain set of tools, and frequently, if you're not going to become a professional scientist, you can stay in science and continue to do scientific work where somebody else is asking the questions, but you're the hands. You're standing in front of the machine, and when the squiggles come off the machine and they don't come off the way that you wanted, is it because the machine's misbehaving, or you screwed up somewhere along the line? And I think the better technologists are people who actually ask those questions, and they don't just keep repeating the same thing over and over and over and over and over again in the same way. So I think for those students who are learning this kind of technology, who are learning to be the hands and to be the tools, you also have to have a head, and that head should permit you to ask, what went wrong here, or did something really go wrong, or did we find something? And I think as somebody who runs a lab, I've been instructed as often by the people who are doing the hands-on work as I have been by making the stuff up and telling them, go do this experiment or go do that experiment.